Kat again, and today I'm going to show you how to make this, as my kids would call it, watermelon Otter Pop Cozy. I'm going to use one color that's a little different than what I have on my pattern, but what you're going to need is Red Heart. I think it's Super Saver. You're going to need yeah, well, of course I don't have it in here, but I'm pretty sure it's Red Heart Super Saver Tea Leaf, and then your choice of pink worsted weight yarn and teeny bit of white worsted weight yarn. And then if, depending on what you're gonna do for the seeds, I am gonna use black felt that I have somewhere. I don't know where I put it. Or you can just use yarn, but I kind of like the way the felt looks. So I'm going to use felt, but you can use black yarn. And I don't know where my felt went, but I'll find it by the end of this video. So what you're going to need is your worsted weight yarn of your choice and all those colors, and your G-hook. And you're going to start with your green. So let's get started. So you're going to take your green yarn and you're going to chain 9, but you're going to start with a slip knot, and a slip knot is like so. Go over like that. Grab your yarn and tighten it, but not too tight, and then you're going to chain 9, which is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to half double crochet in the second chain from your hook, so it's not this one, it's this one. You're going to yarn over, you're going to insert your hook, you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. So that was 1, yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. You're going to do that all the way across, and you're going to have 8 half double crochets. So we just made 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then you're going to work on the opposite side of your chains, but in the same holes you just worked in. You're going to make a half double crochet in your first one. So pretty much in the same way you just finished. So that's 1, and then you're going to go into your next one. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh shoot, 7 and 8. You're going to slip stitch to your very first stitch. So you're going to go in there, you're going to pull through, and then chain 1. Okay, so we're going to do 3 more rounds of half double crochet. So that was 1, so we're going to have a total of 4. So and you're going to have a total of 16 half double crochets. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. You're going to slip stitch it to your very first stitch, chain 1. Okay, so you're going to do 2 more rounds of the green. Okay, so I just finished my 4th round of the green. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to slip stitch it to my very first stitch, but I'm not going to chain 1 because I'm going to change to white. So I grab my white yarn and I attach it like so. Just pull it through, chain 1. And then I just kind of tighten it. And then I half double crochet all around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. You're going to slip stitch to your first stitch if you can here. You're not going to chain 1, you're going to switch to your pink. And if you want to do a red watermelon, that's totally up to you. I just happen to do pink. What is that? Okay. And chain 1. Okay, then we tighten it up. And we're going to do 16 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oh, come on, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Slip stitch, chain 1, and let's see how many rounds here. 6. So this is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go up to round 11. So we just did 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we need 5 more rounds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 more rounds of the pink half double crochet. Okay, so I've done my rounds of pink half double crochet. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rounds total. I'm going to slip stitch to my first one here and chain 1, and then I'm going to single crochet around just to kind of finish it off. And a single crochet as you insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So that was 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Slip stitch to your very first single crochet, chain 1, and snip. And you could also snip your green and white as soon as you do the first round of your pink, just to get it out of the way. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to weave in all my ends, and then I'm going to cut little pieces of black felt. Oh shoot, I still got to find that. Okay, I got to find my black felt, but I'm going to weave in my ends first. Okay, so I weaved in all my ends. So this is what I got, and I found my felt. So I literally just cut little pieces like that. You get back here. And then I hot glue them on there. So I think I put 6 on each side. That's 3. 4. 5. And 6. And then I would do 6 on the other side too. So I'm just gonna hot glue these on. And then you do ones on the other side, and then you got your little wad, or you can take your black yarn and literally just loop up, but that's just like a lot of ends to sew, so I just do it this way. It's way easier. So there's your watermelon cozy for your Otter Pop, and maybe make a red one. I like to see how it looks in red. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make it, share it, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.